Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Premium for the month of March 2022. So if you want to know what I got in my box, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started, guys. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Mine still does have the seal because I just got it. I just got out of work right now. It is a 9:13 p.m., guys, so I look busted. I had my face mask on and everything. So yeah, we are gonna be unboxing our Boxycharm Premium. Plus, I haven't been feeling well lately, and this just made me happy, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna film this right now because makeup excites me and it makes me happy. So hopefully it's a good box. So let's see what we got for our Boxycharm Premium. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. Okay, so let's take that out. What? Yes. Oh, you know what? Actually, I chose this. Yes, I totally forgot. I totally forgot that I had chose this. This one was a choice item. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I'm so excited. Hopefully, I picked out the correct shade. I picked mine in the shade Neutral number 5. So hopefully this shade works out for me. I cannot wait. Makeup just really excites me and it makes me feel better. Literally was going to call out today from work because I have not been feeling well. And I was like, you know what? I just got to suck it up and I got to show up to work. And there I was being a sloth today. Super slow, but oh my God, I think I could make this foundation work out. Oh no, it's a little orange biscuit, but I think I can make it work out. I feel like this foundation color would definitely work out for me. I know summer is like spring and summer is like right around the corner, and I usually turn a little bit tanner. Yeah, I feel like I can make it work out. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So this was the first item. It was the foundation that I chose. I'm so excited for this foundation. I'm definitely going to try it out tomorrow when I go to work. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. All right, guys, so this is what the box looks like. Oh my God, these products are jumping out at me. So we are going to see what this item is, and this is what it looks like. And this is by Atta London. This is a Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. So that's great because we got a foundation. So we can actually maybe do a full face. So this is what the primer is. So first we want to apply our primer, then the foundation, of course. And hopefully it's a good primer. It's a dewy primer. It's supposed to be Glass Glow. Let me see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And, oh yeah, it gives you a lot of luminosity for sure. You guys can see it there, how nice and shiny it is. Very, very nice. Okay, so yeah, for sure, I'm going to be using this tomorrow. I am loving my box so far. I'm excited for it. All right, so this is what we have left in our box. All right, so the next item we got is, oh my God, I'm dead. We got the One Size Ultimate Setting Powder. I love this powder. Actually, I had bought 2 of these from Sephora, and right now I'm currently using, what powder am I using? I'm using this one, the Too Faced one. These 2 are some of my favorites. I love this One Size Beauty setting powder, and I was hesitant in buying it, repurchasing it, and I'm so glad that I didn't because now I have one sent out to me, and I think this was like $35. So I'm so excited. I know the Charlotte Tilbury foundation is pretty expensive too, so I think this is an amazing box so far because I look forward to my makeup items. So I am loving this box so far. Very good. Let's see what else we got. And then what is this? Okay, this one maybe looks like a mascara. And this is by Ether Beauty, the Big Bang Mascara. Oh my god, I love this box. It's like fully loaded with like makeup. I see maybe like 1 or 2 skincare, maybe. I'm not sure. But this is what the mascara looks like. Oh my god, it's so pretty. The packaging is very pretty. It's kind of blinding, but it's like a pearl color. It's very pretty. But let's see what the wand is about. Because, oh girl, I don't know about this wand. I don't know if I like this wand or not, but let's see. It might be okay. I'm always down for a new mascara. I have been using the mascara that they sent out like 2 months ago. I think it's called the Stila mascara, the big gold mascara. I love that mascara. That's the one that I'm currently using. I love it. So I am impressed with this box. I don't know about this one. I don't know how I feel about the wand, but I'm loving the box because so far we are getting the makeup items that we love. All right, so that's what, 3 products down. Let's see what this one is. So this is by Grace and Stella. And this is Everything is Better in Pink. Yes, it is. I love me my pinks. So what is this though? So this is a eye mask. It has collagen boosting booster. Okay, so it's like for underneath the eyes. I definitely need that. Yeah, I for sure need that. But let's see. Thank you. I have my puppy dog here. He's falling asleep on the floor. Are you tired, baby? Are you tired? Okay, go to sleep. All right, so this is what? Oh, this is pretty. Actually, I will use it because it looks so pretty and it looks like so fresh. I'm gonna put these in my refrigerator because actually there's a few of them. So I will for sure be putting them in my refrigerator and then applying them to my under eye and like sleeping with them. I don't know, but I'm for sure going to try these. These are very cute. They're nice and pink. Everything is better in pink. So this is very, very cute. I'm excited about this. Not that bad. Oh my god, I love this box. Okay, and then I think we have one more item. Oh, please tell me it's not skincare. I hate skincare. Okay, so this is what the next item is, and I think it's skincare. This is the pill vitamin C plus AHA plus HA. I don't know what that is, but this is the pill is a tropical supplement, a single dose of powerful activities where every ingredient has a function for the health of your skin, made using only non-toxic clean ingredients that do not harm people or the planet. Ooh. Okay, let's see what it is. This is what the pill item looks like. So it's like a serum. You see this primer? This primer is going strong. Ooh. Okay, I'm excited to use that primer. But let's see what this serum is about. I want to try it out because I'm going to go take a shower right now. It is late. It's maybe like about 10 o'clock at night already. I don't even know what time it is. Oh, it's barely 9:23 a.m. So I'm going to try to edit this video and get this uploaded. And maybe I'll try out this serum and the eye patches and go to sleep. I don't know. But okay, this is what the serum is. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh no, I hate skincare, so I'm not excited about that product, but I'm excited about my makeup items. That for sure I'm excited for. So anyway, guys, let's go ahead and wrap up the video. Let me tell you how much each item retailed for because I'm so excited about this box. So first off was the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Foundation. We all know that that foundation is super fancy. So that one does retail for $44. Damn. And this could be found at Sephora. So dang, the retail value of the box is definitely well worth it this month, in my opinion. Do you guys see it? It looks a little orange, but oh no, I'll make it work, you know, for the summer. So yeah, I'm so excited about this one. That one was $44. All right, so then up next, the Ether Beauty Big Bang Mascara. This mascara right here. we'll see how it works. I did apply some on my eyelashes, but we'll see how it works. So anyways, this mascara does retail for $28. Damn, that's pretty fancy in my opinion. I will not pay $28 for a mascara. So yeah, I don't know. Hopefully it's a good one. But anyways, I'm glad that it's a makeup item. And then up next, we have the all-in-one serum, which is this one right here. I'm not that excited about this one, but this one does retail for $85. So I hope it's good. We'll see. We'll see how it works out. I'll be using that in a little bit. So I'm going to set that aside because I'm going to wear that tonight. Then up next, we got the Atta London Dewy Skin Primer. This one right here. This one seems like a really nice product, so hopefully it works out. So this one does retail for $32. So my skin is kind of combination. It's kind of oily but dry. It's a little confused. Like I'm super crusty right here because I'm super dry, but then sometimes I get sweaty right here and then I get oily and stuff. So I don't know, maybe this one would work for like normal to combination skin. I don't know if it would work out for like oily skin because I used to have really oily skin before when I had my acne, super oily. So I don't know how this would work out with oily skin, but maybe it would work out great for people that are dry to normal to combo. We'll see how this works. So that's how much that one was, $32. And then, of course, the One Size Beauty Powder. This product is bomb. I love it. I have repurchased it like 3 times. So this one right here does retail for the $30. And this one can also be found at Sephora. And then, what else am I missing? Oh, the Grayson Stella Everything is Better in Pink. The little eye patches, which are these right here. It has a few of them in here, so I think it's really okay. It has 12 pairs because it's nice and fully packed in there. So it has 12 of them. So it has 12 eye patches. So these eye masks do retail for $24. So let me go ahead and add up this value and tell you how much my box was worth. Okay, guys, so the whole value of this month's box was for $243, and I think we only paid like 40 bucks for it. So I think this box was totally worth it. Like the foundation, the setting powder, and the foundation definitely made it for me. I give this box like a 10 out of 10 just because of the makeup items. Plus, we got the little primer and we got a mascara. I really look forward to my makeup items, not so much skincare. I kind of don't like skincare, but the makeup items really make me happy and they excite me, so that's what I look forward to. So I really loved this month's box. So leave me a comment down below because I want to know what you guys got in your box. Let me know what you guys think about the box this month. Hopefully you get a good one. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Good night. Bye-bye.